In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multi-factor authentication in Xero to enhance the security of your account. Let's get started and ensure your information is well protected with these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to begin by logging into Xero from your computer. Head over to their website and enter your username and password. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. So always ensure you're using a strong and unique password. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your initials or possibly your profile image displayed there. Give it a click, and a menu will pop up. From there, select the option labeled Account. Now that you're on your account page, it's time to focus on setting up multi-factor authentication, commonly known as MFA, which adds an extra layer of security. Scroll down until you locate the multi-factor authentication section. Here, you'll want to click on the Setup option. If you happen to have another authenticator app already configured, you might see a Change button in the Connected Device section. Click it if you need to update or swap out your previous configuration. With that in place, you'll be guided to select your preferred method for authentication. In this instance, we're going with Xero Verify, which is Xero's own trusted built-in option for securing your account. So on the next screen that appears, you'll see an option to use Xero Verify. Select this, and you'll be on your way to setting things up. Once you've chosen Xero Verify as your authentication method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. This might include scanning a QR code with the Xero Verify app, so be sure to have your mobile device handy. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical, just follow the instructions carefully, and you'll be all set. The beauty of using multi-factor authentication like this is that it significantly bolsters your account security. Even if someone were to gain access to your password, they'd be thwarted by this additional verification step. It's a proactive way of safeguarding your financial data and ensuring peace of mind. And there you have it. Your Xero account is now fortified with multi-factor authentication. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on keeping your digital world safe and sound. Until next time, take care.